Welcome to 114 Timber Creek Drive in Rincon, Georgia. This is a 2,500 square foot home on over 2 acres with a pool, a fresh drain field. It's 4 bedroom, 3 bath, freshly painted. Come check this bad boy out for yourself. If your goal is to be close to Rincon on a big piece of property in a virtually move-in ready house, come to 114 Timber Creek Drive in Rincon, Georgia. I'm Ricky Eilerman with Coast & Country Real Estate Experts. Let's do real estate right.